The Indian e-commerce market connects millions of active daily buyers with sellers across the country. Getting your products in front of that volume of traffic is the first step to building a scalable online business. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through the exact steps to take you from a blank screen to a fully verified, active supplier dashboard that is ready to receive and process customer orders. Before you begin, you need exactly 4 things on hand. First, an active phone number or email address. Second, a GST number. This is your unique 15-digit registration code used for tax purposes in India. Third, your bank account details. And fourth, a proof of bank document, like a canceled check or the front page of your passbook. While you can technically start with a temporary enrollment ID, you must register with a full, verified GST number. Without a full registration, the logistics system restricts your account to local fulfillment only, preventing you from shipping orders nationwide. Gathering these specific, matching documents before you start typing is crucial. The platform's automated systems check your inputs against government databases in real time. Having the correct files ready prevents the automated verification failures that block many new sellers on their first day. Open your browser and search for Sell on Meesho. Click the first official link and then select the Start Selling button on the homepage to open the registration portal. The first step is authentication. You will enter your mobile number to receive an OTP, a one-time password sent via text message to verify your identity. Enter the code and the system will immediately prompt you to input your GST number. Watch what happens when you type in that 15-digit code and click Verify. The system connects directly to the government GST database and instantly pulls your registered business details, automatically populating the blank address fields below. Next, the system will ask you to confirm an important detail: whether your legally registered tax address is the exact same location where you keep your physical inventory. If your inventory is stored elsewhere, simply uncheck the default box. This opens up new text fields where you can manually type in the specific address where you want the courier to arrive for daily pickups. Separating your legal taxation address from your physical warehouse location allows you to maintain strict regulatory compliance while giving the courier network the precise routing data they need to collect your packages efficiently. Now we move to financial verification. You will need to enter your primary bank account number, along with the specific branch IFSC code. The IFSC code is an 11-character alphanumeric routing number used to identify specific bank branches in India. This exact screen is where the majority of account rejections happen, almost always due to a name mismatch error. As you can see in this comparison graphic, the platform enforces a strict rule. The account name listed on your submitted bank documents must match either the legal name or the trade name printed on your GST certificate. If there is a single letter out of place, the system will reject the application. Once you ensure the names are identical, click Verify Bank Detail. A green confirmation message will appear on screen confirming that your financial data has been successfully validated. Clearing this financial checkpoint means the marketplace algorithms have officially authorized your account to receive revenue payouts. You are now cleared to conduct business. For your public-facing profile, you need to type in a unique store name that customers will see when buying your items. Next, select your specific business type from the drop-down menu, indicating whether you are a manufacturer or a reseller. Click Submit. The setup form will disappear and you will transition immediately into your live active seller dashboard. At this point, the system hasn't asked you to create a password. This is a common point of confusion for new users. You are logged in for now, but you don't actually have login credentials yet. First, click the Add Signature widget on the right side of your screen. Type your name, click Change to generate your digital signature, and then hit Submit Signature to finalize your compliance documents. Immediately after that, navigate to the Complete Account Setup section on the homepage and click Set Password. Type in a strong password and save it before you close this browser window. If you close the tab without manually setting this password, you will be locked out of your new account. This turns a 5-minute setup into a prolonged account recovery process through customer support. Your multi-step verification is now complete. The supplier account is officially live and tied directly to your bank. Take a moment to look at the left side navigation bar. You will manage platform updates in the Notices tab, process your daily shipments in the Orders tab, and track your active stock levels in the Inventory tab. To initiate your very first product upload, direct your attention to the upper right quadrant of the screen and locate the Catalog Uploads button. With the dashboard ready, your next task is sourcing and listing inventory. Click the video on your screen to transition directly into our step-by-step tutorial on product research and catalog optimization. Securing this verified account is the first step toward receiving orders. With your infrastructure in place, you are ready to begin selling.